Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Now, is this screen is visible to you?
Sir.
Yes, good
Yes,
afternoon.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in first unit of Math 103 paper, that is solution of our first order, first degree differential equation. We complete that to find our solution by variable separable method, homogeneous differential equation by homogeneous differential equation, and then by exact differential equations. कुछ प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको दिए थे, अगर आपको वो डाउट लग रहा है तो आप फिर चैट बॉक्स के अंदर उसका सॉल्यूशन भेजना, तो फिर हम चेक करेंगे. एंड अवर फोर्थ मेथड टू सॉल्व अवर लीनियर differential equation. Now, as it word linear, कोई भी equation linear है, that means its power is 1. अगर power 2 है तो फिर हम उसको quadratic equation बोलते हैं. अगर उसकी maximum power 3 है तो cubic equation, and power 4 है तो biquadratic equation कहते हैं उसको. So now linear means power of 1, mono power 1, quadratic होगा तो उसको power 2 कहते हैं. So here a first order first degree differential equation is known as linear differential equation if it is expressed as dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. So here linear कहाँ हुआ? So it is linear in your dependent variable y and its derivative. x का कोई भी पावर हो तो चलेगा. x में अगर कोई फंक्शन है sin x, tan x, e raised to x, log x तो भी चलेगा. बट लीनियर किसमें होना चाहिए? तो उसकी जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है y एंड उसकी डेरिवेटिव जो है dy by dx, उसकी पावर 1 होनी चाहिए. So that is our linear differential equation with respect to dependent variable y. So it can be represent any linear differential equation in variable y can be represented in this form: dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. Where px and qx are function of x. Now it is a function of x, that means it can be 1 upon x also, x square, x cube, sin x, cos x, exponential. x का कोई भी फंक्शन हो सकता है. So y के जो मल्टीप्लाई में होगा, y का कोएफिशिएंट, that can be known as px, and equal to उस साइड में जो होगा that will be called as qx, and dy by dx is that. So how to solve this linear differential equation? So that is equation y on x. So method to find out solution of linear differential equation, that is find out multiplying integrating factor. You can multiply this integrating factor if e to the power integration of px dx. ये जो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? वो एग्जैक्ट लीनियर इक्वेशन में जो प्रोसीजर्स है नॉन एग्जैक्ट को एग्जैक्ट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो उसी मेथड से सेम आप इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फाइंड करते हो. बट यहाँ पर हमें how to find its solution? So that is integrating factor, that is e to the power integration of px dx multiply to your this equation. So it is e to the power integration of px dx multiplied by dy by dx plus px into y into e to the power integration of px dx is equal to qx into e to the power integration of px dx. Now here our left hand side, it is nothing but derivative of function y into e to the power integration of px dx. So that is simple derivative rule of y function and integration of e to the power integration of px dx. So in first term, exponential term as it is derivative of y, that is dy by dx. Now in second, y as it is, and now derivative of exponential function e to the power integration of px dx. So exponential का derivative exponential as it is, और उसकी जो power है integration of px dx, उसका derivative. So integration and derivative get cancel each other because both are opposite. So that is only px. So that multiply with y equal to qx into e to the power integration of px dx. Now to simplify this, let's integrate both sides. So that integration, so d by dx is removed. So here only y e to the power integration px dx is equal to integration of qx into e to the power integration of px dx plus c. So that is your solution of given linear differential equation. But to remember this is your e to the power integration px dx is your integrating factor. So to find out our solution of given linear differential equation, directly you can write down by this way: y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into integrating factor into dx plus c, where integrating factor if is equal to e to the power integration of px dx. एक्सपोनेंशियल के पावर में इंटीग्रेशन करना है, और px क्या होगा? y का कोफिशिएंट dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. That is our standard form of linear differential equation. So it is y on x. So its solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into integrating factor dx plus c. That is your 3-step for solving our linear differential equation. So any kind of equation is that dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. So integrating factor पहले find करेंगे हम. So px and qx identify करो. What is your px and what is your qx? And then take its integration and put into power of exponential. So integrating factor is integration of e to the power integration of px dx, and then solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into if dx plus constant c. Now, if our linear differential equation in x to y, if your equation is given in this form, that is dx upon dy plus py into x is equal to qy. तो ये भी linear equation है, but it is linear equation in x to y. That means x is dependent and y is independent variable. The procedure is same. That find out integrating factor. Integrating factor is e to the power integration of py dy, and then solution x into integrating factor is equal to integration of qy into if dy plus c. ऊपर वाला जो इक्वेशन लिखा है वो लीनियर इक्वेशन फ्रॉम y टू x. अगर कोई इक्वेशन आपका इस फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है dx by dy plus py into x is equal to qy, तो उस फॉर्म में भी हम उसका आंसर निकाल सकते हैं. So let's solve the given linear differential equation. So first example, that is your dy by dx minus y upon x is equal to x square. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला जो है, that is compare with that number, that is your dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. That is your standard result. So compare with this one. So what is your p function px क्या होगा? तो वो
minus 1 upon.
Very good. Minus 1 upon x is your px. और equal to के उस साइड में जो भी फंक्शन होगा वो होगा हमारा qx. Here it is x square. So px is minus 1 upon x and qx is x square. So let's find out our integrating factor. So its formula e to the power integration of px dx. Px is minus 1 upon x. So that is your e to the power integration of minus 1 upon x dx. 1 upon x का integration होगा log x. So it is your minus log x. ये माइनस मल्टीप्लाई में है तो वो x के पावर में हो जाएगा. So that is e raised to log x raised to minus 1. Now exponential and log can be cancel each other. So that base here x raised to minus 1, and that is nothing but 1 upon x. So our integrating factor is 1 upon x. Now solution of this linear differential equation is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into if dx plus c. If, that means integrating factor is 1 upon x. Qx is x square. So y into 1 upon x is equal to integration of x square into 1 upon x dx plus c. Now ये x square और x से कट हो जाएगा, तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x dx बचेगा और x का इंटीग्रेशन x square by 2 and last constant is c. So y upon x is equal to x square by 2 plus c. That is your general solution. General solution of our linear differential equation. So find out integrating factor and then put into your solution y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. Next, given equation in this form, y dash plus 10x into y is equal to sec x. So find out P and Q. So coefficient of y 10x. So P is equal to 10x, and coefficient of Q is our sec x. So P is 10x, Q is sec x. So let's find out our integrating factor. That is e to the power integration of P dx. P is 10x. So e to the power integration of 10x dx. और 10x का इंटीग्रेशन होता है log sec x. That is your integrating formula of tan function. तो 10x का इंटीग्रेशन होगा log sec x. Now exponential and log both get cancelled, so we get only sec x. So integrating factor is sec x functions. So your solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor. So y into sec x is equal to integration of sec x into sec x dx. Your qx is also sec x. So that is your sec x into sec x, sec square x. And sec square x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? 10x. 10 का इंटीग्रेशन log sec x, but sec square का इंटीग्रेशन 10x. वो उल्टा डेरिवेटिव के हिसाब से भी आप सोच सकते हैं. 10 का डेरिवेटिव sec square, तो sec square का इंटीग्रेशन 10. So your answer is y into sec x is equal to 10x plus c. That is the way we can find out our general solution of given linear differential equation. Next example, that is dy by dx is equal to 2xy is equal to x cube. Just 1 minute, student.
Sir, you are still mute.
Sorry for the interruption, dear students. So next example for solving our linear differential equation kind. So dy by dx plus 2x into y is equal to x cube. So p is 2x and q is x cube. So find out integrating factor. that is e to the power integration of px dx. P is 2x, so e to the power integration of 2x dx. 2x का इंटीग्रेशन 2 into x square by 2. 2 कट हो गया तो ओनली e to the power x square मिलेगा हमें. So that is your integrating factor e to the power x square. Now our solution, that is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into integrating factor dx plus c. So that is your y into e to the power x square is equal to integration of x cube into e to the power x square dx plus c. So x cube into e to the power x square. How we are going to integrate this product? X cube in. हाँ कैसे करेंगे?
आइलेट रूल.
आइलेट रूल करेंगे तो बट e टू द पावर x स्क्वायर जो होगा वो आपका v बनेगा, तो उसका इंटीग्रेशन कैसे क्या होगा?
सर हम x स्क्वायर को सपोज कर x क्यूब को
Yes.
सपोज करेंगे.
x स्क्वायर को supposition by substitution method we have to simplify that. Take x square is equal to t या z कोई भी वेरिएबल ले लो. So let's take x square is equal to t. Why we take x square? Because e to the power x का हमारे पास डेरिवेटिव है, बट e to the power x square का कोई डेरिवेटिव रूल नहीं है. और डेफिनेट इंडेफिनेट इंटीग्रल e to the power x का इंटीग्रेशन होता है, बट e to the power x square का कोई डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेशन नहीं है. In such a case, here we substitute some value. So let's take x square is equal to t. So derivative 2x dx is dt. So x dx is dt upon 2. तो ये जो x क्यूब है, उस x क्यूब में से एक x dx जो है वो dt by 2 बन जाएगा. तो x क्यूब का आप दो पार्ट में लिख सकते हो, x स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स. And now substitute. So x square is equal to t e raised to t x dx. X dx is dt upon 2. So your integration, this t e raised to t dt upon 2. Now dt upon 2, the 1 by 2 तो बाहर हो जाएगा. So we have here only t into e raised to t dt, and then apply your integration by parts rule, Eilert rule. That is t as it is, integration of e raised to t. तो e raised to t का इंटीग्रेशन e raised to t ही होगा. फिर माइनस अगेन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u, तो t का डेरिवेटिव 1 एंड e raised to t का इंटीग्रेशन e raised to t ही रहेगा into dt. To simplify that, that is t e raised to t minus e raised to t. क्योंकि e raised to t का इंटीग्रेशन भी e raised to t ही होगा. फिर e raised to t हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो e raised to t into t minus 1 upon 2. Now replace the value of t, that t is x square. So that is why e raised to x square is equal to 1 upon 2 into t minus 1. So that is your x square minus 1. E raised to t is same here, e raised to x square plus constant c. So that is our standard general solution of that differential equation. And if our next example, that is your linear differential equation on x to y, x ऊपर है y नीचे है, dx upon dy plus 2x upon y is equal to only y. तो ये जो स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन होगा तो हमें कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा dx upon dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. X का coefficient 2 upon y is there, so p of y is 2 upon y and equal to के उस side only y function है, so that is your q. तो बस यहाँ पर x और y इंटरचेंज हो गए, तो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर जो होगा e टू द पावर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ p dx, उसकी जगह लिखना पड़ेगा हमें e टू द पावर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ p dy. p is 2 upon y और 2 एज इट इज 1 अपॉन y का इंटीग्रेशन log y, ये 2 मल्टीप्लाई है वो उधर पावर में चला जाएगा तो log y स्क्वायर होगा. e and log both get cancel, so our integrating factor is only y square. Let its solution x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c. Integrating factor is y square. So x into y square is equal to integration of y into y square, that is y cube का integration y4 by 4. So that is your xy square is equal to y4 by 4 plus c is our solution. So that is your differential linear differential equation from x to y, but its procedures to find out its solution is similar. Now next one, that is if your equation is given in this form, x plus 2y cube dy is equal to y dx. You can solve this equation by exact, also exactness से भी उसको solve कर सकते हैं, or you can convert into linear form. तो dy by dx अगर हम कंसीडर करेंगे तो कुछ सिंप्लीफिकेशन हमें नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि here in this example dy by dx is y upon x plus 2y cube, y upon x plus 2y cube. तो उससे linear जैसा कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. But if you find dx by dy, then dx by dy is reciprocal, so that is x plus 2y cube upon y. Now take this y separate to both. That is your x upon y plus 2y cube upon y, that is 2y square. Now x is your dependent variable, so that x coefficient goes to that side. So 2y square is equal to dx upon dy minus x upon y. So that is your linear differential equation. So p is minus 1 upon y, coefficient of x, and q is 2y square. P is minus 1 upon y and q is 2y square. And then find out its integrating factor. तो माइनस 1 अपॉन y का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस log y, पावर ऊपर चला गया तो e raised to log y raised to minus 1, e and log get cancel, y raised to minus 1, so that is your 1 upon y. And our solution, x integrating factor is equal to q integrating factor dy plus c. So x 1 upon y is equal to q, q is 2y square, integrating factor is 1 upon y, ये y by कट होगा तो ओनली 2y मिलेगा और उसका इंटीग्रेशन y square by 2, 2 कट, so only y square is there. So your solution is x upon y is equal to y square plus c. You can also write that is x is equal to y cube plus c into y. They are equal. Now sixth one, x square plus 1 dy by dx plus y equal to tan inverse x. डायरेक्टली इट इज लीनियर इक्वेशन और नॉट। लीनियर इक्वेशन में dy बाई dx जो है उसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए। तो यहाँ पर तो dy बाई dx का कोएफिशिएंट 1 नहीं है, x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 है। So we divide whole equation by x square plus 1. So we get dy by dx plus y upon x square plus 1 is equal to tan inverse x divide x square plus 1. So dy by dx plus y upon x square plus 1 is equal to tan inverse x upon x square plus 1. And now identify p and q. That is your linear equation on y on x. So coefficient of y, that is 1 upon x square plus 1, is your p, and q is tan inverse x upon x square plus 1. So integrating factor is e to the power integration of 1 upon x square plus 1, that is e to the power of tan inverse x. Solution is y into e raised to tan inverse x is equal to integration of q. Q function is tan inverse x upon x square plus 1 into integrating factor e to the power tan inverse x into dx plus c. So to integrate this, take tan inverse x is equal to constant t. Tan inverse x is t, so its derivative 1 over x square plus 1 dx is equal to dt. ये डिनोमिनेटर में से x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 जो है वो dt फॉर्म में चला जाएगा, tan इनवर्स x जो है वो t फॉर्म में हो जाएगा। तो हियर वी गेट t into e raised to t dt, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ t into e raised to t dt, और उसका इंटीग्रेशन हमने आगे किया है, that is t e raised to t minus integration e raised to t common, e raised to t into t minus 1 and take t is equal to tan inverse x. We assume that tan inverse x is equal to t. That final answer replace value of t so y into e raised to tan inverse x is equal to e raised to tan inverse x into bracket tan inverse x minus 1 plus c is our solution. Same examples here, that is 7th one. X square plus 1 whole cube dy by dx plus 4x into x square plus 1 whole square y is equal to 1. dy by dx का coefficient 1 होना चाहिए. Let divide this equation by x square plus 1 whole cube. So we get dy by dx plus 4x upon x square plus 1 into y. ये whole cube है, उसमें से एक स्क्वायर कट हो गया. तो 4x upon x square plus 1. P is 4x upon x square plus 1, Q is 1 upon x square plus 1. Now integrating factor उसमें e to the power integration of p चाहिए. तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 4x अपॉन x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, उसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? डिनोमिनेटर का डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर में अरेंज करो. x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 का डेरिवेटिव 2x, तो वो ऊपर 4x है तो 2 निकल गया तो ओनली 2x बचेगा. तो वो 2 into log x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 होगा. एंड e टू द पावर करना है हमें, तो ये मल्टीप्लाई टू जो है वो पावर में चला जाएगा. So that is e to the power log x square plus 1 square. X square plus 1 whole square, and now e and log get cancelled. So we can write that is your x square plus 1 whole square. That is your integrating factor. And solution is y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. So y into x square plus 1 whole square, and here power 2 and power 3. So denominator में only 1 upon x square plus 1 बचेगा. And 1 upon x square plus 1 का integration होता है tan inverse x. So that is all different kind of your linear differential equations examples. Just go through all kind of this examples, try to solve it, and simplify all linear differential equations. Now next, just we discuss about concept, and from next lecture we start with example. जो linear equation नहीं है उसको जनरली हम बोलेंगे नॉन लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. But if our non-linear differential equation is of special case, which is known as Bernoulli's differential equation. So a first order, first degree differential equation, that is dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx into y raised to n. Qx into y raised to n is known as your Bernoulli's differential equation, because here it is dy by dx, so y is a dependent variable, तो y की पावर हर जगह 1 होनी चाहिए और उसके डेरिवेटिव की पावर. तो dy by dx की पावर 1 है, यहाँ पर y की पावर भी 1 है, बट इक्वल टू के उस साइड qx जो अकेला होना चाहिए उसकी जगह यहाँ पर है qx into y raised to n. मतलब कि y की कोई पर्टिकुलर पावर मल्टीप्लाई में है. ऐसा अगर कोई इक्वेशन है तो उसको हम बोलेंगे बर्नौलीज डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, विच इज नॉन लीनियर, स्पेशल केस ऑफ नॉन लीनियर, क्योंकि y लीनियर नहीं है. Now how to solve this Bernoulli's differential equation? To reduce into linear differential equation. अगर linear differential equation में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपका जो राइट हैंड साइड है तो उसमें ओनली qx होना चाहिए, बट यहाँ पर तो y raised to n मल्टीप्लाई है. सो लेट डिवाइड दिस इक्वेशन बाय y raised to n. पूरे इक्वेशन को y raised to n से डिवाइड कर दो. So that is your 1 upon y raised to n dy by dx plus px into y upon y raised to n is equal to qx. Now y upon y raised to n can be simplified as y raised to 1 minus n. Here 1 upon y raised to n is simplified at y raised to minus n. That is your equation, but it is still not linear differential equation. ये linear नहीं है. तो linear के लिए तो यहाँ पर only y होना चाहिए और यहाँ पर only 1 होना चाहिए. So to convert into linear, we assume that take y raised to 1 minus n is equal to variable v. px के पास जो भी y का फंक्शन है y raised to 1 minus n, उसकी जगह पर v अज्यूम करना है एंड देन टेक डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v. y raised to 1 minus n का डेरिवेटिव 1 minus n आउटसाइड y raised to 1 minus n minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. तो अब y की कितनी पावर मिलेगी हमें यहाँ पर? y raised to minus n ही मिलेगा. So 1 minus n into y raised to minus n dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Now if you observe that for this equation star, that first number is y raised to minus n dy by dx. but यहाँ पर तो 1 minus n मल्टीप्लाई में है, तो 1 minus n को उस तरफ ले जाओ. So y raised to minus n dy by dx is 1 over 1 minus n dv by dx. Y raised to minus n dy by dx is 1 over 1 minus n dv by dx. Now replace this equation into your this star equation. उसमें जगह replace करो. So we get 1 over 1 minus n dv by dx plus px into v is equal to qx. Now multiply this equation by 1 minus n. या क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो 1 minus n ऊपर ले जाओ. So dv by dx plus 1 minus n into px v is equal to 1 minus n into qx. 1 minus n into px is a function of x only, so we can say that it is p1x. 1 minus n into qx is function of only x, that is your q1x. And now it is your linear differential equation in variable v to x. dv by dx plus p1x v is equal to q1x. तो वो लीनियर इक्वेशन हो गया v के फॉर्म में. एंड लीनियर इक्वेशन है तो उसका सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा हमें इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से. लेट फाइंड आउट आवर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर if. तो if is e to the power integration of p1x dx. E to the power integration of p1x, so let its solution y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q1 into if dx plus c, and then finally replace the value of v. Here we assume that v is equal to y raised to 1 minus n. V is assumed, that is y raised to 1 minus n, so it is replaced at last y raised to 1 minus n integration e to the power integration of p1x dx is equal to integration of q1x e raised to integration of p1x dx plus c, and that is your solution of your Bernoulli's differential equation. So no need to remember this solution, but just remember that procedures to solve your Bernoulli's. तो पहले Bernoulli's equation जो होता है वो इक्वेशन होगा dy by dx plus pxy into y raised to n. That is your standard form of Bernoulli's differential equation. तो px into y, तो y अकेला पावर जो होगा वो dy by dx के साथ रहेगा और y की जो हायर पावर होगी वो qx के साथ रखना है. And then reduce into linear by dividing the highest power of y, that is your y raised to n here. And at last, you can convert your Bernoulli's equation into linear differential equation in terms of v and x. तो उस फॉर्म में हम उसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. So if your example like this, so we can do some example here also. So let's solve this non-linear differential equation. dy by dx minus y upon x is equal to x square y cube. तो यहाँ पर तो only y है, बट qx into y raised to n बन गया. जो इक्वेशन है वो qx into y raised to n टाइप्स का इक्वेशन बन गया. So divide by this equation here y cube. So divide this equation by y cube. So first coefficient is y raised to minus n dy by dx minus y upon y cube, that is y raised to minus 2 upon x is equal to x square. That is your equation 1. पूरे इक्वेशन को y cube से डिवाइड किया. And here function of y, that is y raised to minus 2. Y raised to minus 2. Take this y raised to minus 2 is equal to v to convert this equation 1 into linear equation of v and x. Now y raised to minus 2, so its derivative minus 2 multiply and minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. So minus 2 into y raised to minus 3 into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Minus 2 into y raised to minus 3 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. But if you observe in this equation, here the coefficient is y raised to minus 3 dy by dx. So you always get that coefficient here y raised to minus 3 dy by dx, always in this Bernoulli's differential equation. अगर वो आपका नहीं मिलता, डेरिवेटिव करने के बाद dy by dx का जो कोएफिशिएंट है वो ऊपर वाले इक्वेशन के साथ मिलना ही चाहिए, एग्जैक्ट होना चाहिए. अगर नहीं होता तो समझ लो कि आपका कुछ सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने में गलती हुई है. It is always that coefficient is adjust here. So y raised to minus 3 dy by dx is 1 upon minus 2 dv by dx. ये मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 2 था, उस तरफ जाएगा तो डिवाइड बाय माइनस 2 हो जाएगा. नाउ रिप्लेस दिस इक्वेशन. So y raised to minus 3 dy by dx is 1 upon minus 2 dv by dx minus, now y raised to minus 2, that is replaced by v, so v upon x is equal to x square. अब लिनियर बनाना है तो यहाँ पर ये माइनस 2 नहीं होना चाहिए, माइनस 2 उस तरफ ले जाओ. तो dv by dx, that means multiply this equation by minus 2. So that is minus minus plus 2v upon x is equal to minus 2x square. And this is your linear equation v on x. तो अब जैसे लिनियर को सॉल्व करते थे वैसे सेम सॉल्व करना है. p फाइंड करो और q फाइंड करो. तो p is coefficient of v, that is 2 by x. तो p is 2 by x and q, तो equal to q साइड जो होता है वो q होता है. And its integrating factor, that is e to the power integration of p. Here it is a 2 by x, that is e to the power 2 log x. 2 power में चला जाएगा, that is your e to the power log x square. E and log cancel, so x square is our integrating factor. And our solution is v into integrating factor is equal to integration of q if dx plus c. ये जो linear equation है वो v on x है. So v into if is x square. So v into x square is equal to minus 2x square into x square dx plus c. Now replace the value of v. V is y raised to minus 2. हमने यहाँ पर already लिया था. v is equal to y raised to minus 2. So y raised to minus 2 x square is equal to, now here minus 2 into x raised to 4. So its integration minus 2 into x raised to 5 upon 5. The final answer is x square upon y square is equal to minus 2x raised to 5 upon 5 plus c. X square upon y square is equal to minus 2 upon 5 x raised to 5 plus c. So that is the way you can solve your non-linear differential equation. So here xy and equal to, that is x cube y cube. Let's divide by this equation by y cube. So that is y raised to minus 3 divided by dx plus x y raised to minus 2 is equal to x cube. Here it is x, y raised to minus 2 is there. Take it equal to v. It will always adjust with this equation. Always adjust with this equation. And then convert into linear equation and solve. So try to solve more equation of this Bernoulli's, and from next lecture we can start all such kind of some Bernoulli's and rest of examples in this. So if you have any doubt, any query regarding this, you can ask in the chat box. Just go through this PDF, solve examples. You can also find get assignment in team application or in a website. Simplify this. So linear equation and try to solve some non-linear differential equation. तो जो नॉन लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होगा वो स्पेशल काइंड के इक्वेशन जो होते हैं, यहाँ पर ओनली एक्स स्क्वायर का फंक्शन होना चाहिए. पूरे वाई वाले फंक्शन से उस तरह करो, जो भी फंक्शन मिलेगा उसकी जगह v अज्यूम करो, एंड देन you will always adjust with that coefficient. Always it will be adjust. सारे एग्जांपल्स जो है वो यहाँ पर हमने सॉल्व किए हैं. एंड आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट इज ordinary differential equation for first order and higher degree. उसके जो बेसिक मेथड्स जो है फर्स्ट ऑर्डर हायर डिग्री में वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो dy by dx इज दैट, बट हायर डिग्री द पावर ऑफ dy by dx इज मोर देन 1. फर्स्ट जो टॉपिक था फर्स्ट यूनिट में हमारा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर फर्स्ट डिग्री, तो डिग्री भी 1 होगी, ऑर्डर भी 1 होगा. अब यहाँ पर हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में से डिस्कस करेंगे फर्स्ट ऑर्डर हायर डिग्री. तो ऑर्डर आपका 1 रहेगा बट डिग्री जो है वो 1 से ज्यादा रहेगी. तो वो भी हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे. बट ये लीनियर का कॉन्सेप्ट, हाउ टू फाइंड इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इन अ लीनियर, क्योंकि एमसीक्यू जो एग्जाम होगी उसमें हम छोटे छोटे एग्जाम्पल ही रखेंगे. to find out integrating factor of given, what is the power, what is the order of this differential equation, what is the degree of differential equation. But all these procedures which are useful in your physics subject,